In this session, we explore innocent perception and the optics of the miraculous. Using the metaphor of light passing through lenses and prisms, we will examine how our way of seeing either fragments reality or reveals it as whole, and how this shift in perception opens the mind to the experience of miracles. This slide contrasts human perception with absolute reality. Human thinking treats truth as a sliding scale with shades of gray. In contrast, spiritual truth is binary, like a light switch, on or off. Some concepts are either wholly true or wholly false. Light and darkness cannot coexist in the same space. Here we see why a total commitment to darkness is impossible. Even in the largest field of apparent nothingness, a point of light remains. No one can fully deny the truth they have already experienced. Because of this, a complete allegiance to the ego's darkness cannot be structurally maintained. Erratic behavior arises from a divided mind. We cannot fully deny truth, yet we cling to self-deception and partial commitments. This inner conflict prevents lasting comfort. Stability emerges only when the mind makes a firm, uninterrupted commitment to the light and aligns behavior with that decision. Judgment follows a predictable sequence. First, a trigger undermines our confidence in another. Second, we assume they are not in their right mind. Third, we deny the creative power of the miracle. Finally, we accept the illusion of separation. Even minor judgments reinforce a non-miraculous frame of reference. Perception operates under two economic models. Scarcity. Economics assumes separation and a zero-sum world where giving means losing. Spiritual economics rests on total abundance. Each son fully knows God, and nothing real can be diminished. In this framework, sharing increases value rather than depleting it. Forgiveness heals the illusion of separation in 3 stages. First, we notice the mistaken perception of separate beings. Second, we practice forgiveness, releasing grievances. Third, wholeness is revealed. Correct perception is needed only because we chose separation. Forgiveness undoes that specific error in vision. Right-minded seeing functions like a corrective lens. The observer joins with the miracle, which filters out the delusions of separation and reveals only the perfections created by God in a brother. Innocent perception literally cannot register what is false. It recognizes only what shares the nature of truth. This table compares 2 frames of reference. Human thinking believes in degrees of truth, sees others as flawed, is grounded in scarcity, and produces erratic behavior with little peace. Innocent perception views truth as absolute, sees only perfection, rests in total abundance, and culminates in lasting peace. The vision of innocence acknowledges that only what God creates truly exists. When we create with the same loving will, our creations are equally real. If only truth exists, right-minded perception can see nothing but perfection. Those who remain innocent are free from the delusions of separation. The ascension pathway unfolds in 4 levels. We begin with erratic human perception. Through forgiveness and the miracle, we heal the sense of separation. This leads to innocent perception, which sees only God's perfections. From there, we cross a threshold into revelation, where knowledge replaces perception entirely.